So, this is what you want to have as dinner or last thing at bedtime to stimulate your digestive enzymes and stimulate your system to break down and burn that stubborn fat so you can poop it out and get back in shape. Trust me, you want to try this recipe at bedtime and the next morning you come back and testify to me. Yeah, try and I'm waiting for your results. Share with your friends, anyone struggling with bad fats, excess weight, or most especially belly fat. Share and trust me, you will all love the results. Yeah, so equally do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So, in order to come up with this fat stimulant, the first ingredient we'll be using will be flax seeds. Yes, flax seed is highly rich in fiber, and fiber helps to stimulate your system, your digestive enzymes, your digestive system, like your system to easily break down and lose weight. Yes, so this is flaxseed here. Since I started adding flaxseed in my smoothies, trust me, I have seen tremendous results. So what you need is just have a small cup of flaxseed, or just like 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, like this quantity of flaxseed. You don't need a lot of it in the evening for your dinner. So this is smoothie is for dinner time to actually help you break down that fat while you're asleep. The second ingredient I'll be adding in here will be berries. Berries on their own. If you don't have the other kinds of berries, you can just use normal strawberries. It's just because I have blackberries, so I'm just using I'm just using this berries mix. But you can just stick with strawberry. This is a very powerful fat burner. While you sleep at night, it tackles those fats in your system, most especially belly fat, and shrinks them so you can poop out the fats and get back your body, get back your flat belly without belly fat. Yeah. The next thing I'll be adding will be pineapple, and this is mostly the middle of the pineapple. The middle of the pineapple is highly rich in bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme which helps to break down and dissolve fats in the system. Like all the heavy carbs, heavy proteins you eat, bromelain helps to break it down. So this is mostly the middle of the pineapple to tackle that fat in your system and break it for you. So this is kind of dinner for two. You just need a cup. Anyway, at the end I will direct you on how to do it, or you can have 1 cup in the evening and the other at in the morning as your breakfast. So it depends if you're living alone. If you have 1 cup in the evening, the next at in the morning, that will even make this fat burning process even stronger. So this is pineapple. If you're having for 2 days, this is half a pineapple, mostly the middle of the pineapple. If you notice, it looks kind of hard because it is the middle of the pineapple I am using. So I get a lot of that bromelain. So you can get your pineapple peel, slice the sides, and use for whatever smoothie. But for this fat burning smoothie, you want to concentrate on the middle of the pineapple. So you just need to get your pineapple, slice into some tiny little sizes that you can easily blend. Pineapples are very good as they not only help to flush out fats from your system, it equally helps to clean your skin cells and give you that healthy, fresh glow to your skin. And by flushing out toxins and bad fats from your system, you feel lighter, much more energetic, and with a beautiful, healthy skin. So this is very good. This is a very good dinner idea I'm sharing with you. You can have this as your dinner because the flax seeds equally keep you so full because it is protein, healthy protein. So this is it. You just slice and voila. These are the first 3 ingredients: your strawberries, flaxseed, pineapple, and now I will be adding in some apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar is very fat burning. Most especially, you need to get apple cider vinegar that has the white residues at the bottom. You see, that is the mother. This helps to break down fats. And before you use your apple cider vinegar, always make sure to shake. When you shake, you get all the benefits, all the enzymes that help to help and break down fats are found in that white residue, the mother. So you want to shake, 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 shake before you can measure up your apple cider vinegar. Yeah. And what I'll be using is a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This is like 4 tablespoons. Very tricky. It sounds like it is too much, but the pineapple, flax seeds suppresses the acidity and you don't even feel it. But you get enough of it in your system while you are asleep. And you can equally have it with your straw. but I drink it just like that and I don't feel anything. So that is a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. The next thing I want to do is to put the ingredients in my blender. This is my pineapple. I'm adding in my blender now. So make sure to follow the measurements, and you want to drink it last thing. Like, it should be your dinner, no matter how early or how late. This should be what you consume before going to bed. Last thing, not any other thing apart from this. So it works in the night in your system. Yeah. So you put your ingredients and you add in your apple cider vinegar. So the water in the pineapple actually blends this up for you. But I added in a few ice cubes just to make it kind of chilled in the mouth, so it doesn't really just be flat in your mouth. You want to add in some few cubes of ice block, like two, one, blend to get a very smooth consistency. Like, this is very fat burning, very fat burning. All the ingredients in here are fat burners you can have in your kitchen. Just put together, have as dinner. You don't want to eat heavy before going to bed. You want to eat a fat burner that will help you not just to stay in shape, but to maintain a healthy body size for your health. So you just make sure you blend for it to be smooth, so it doesn't feel crunchy in the mouth, but just like ice cream. And it keeps you so full that you don't even feel like hungry. Trust me, you want to try this and you would love it real bad. So you want to put everything in your, this is for bedtime and first thing in the morning. So you can have one cup of this at bedtime. The next day in the morning, you wake up and have the other as your breakfast. Or if you're two, you can do this and share with your partner or your friend. If it is your roommate or whoever you're living with, share. The next morning, you can make another one for breakfast. And trust me, you will come back and tell Riza, this will stimulate your digestive system to burn and break down all the bad fats. You poo poo everything, like you poop a lot of bad fats out of your system, and this will help you maintain a healthy body size. So all in all, what I'm trying to say is these are the kinds of healthy dinners you want to go for if you're looking to maintain a healthy body size without belly fat. You don't want to eat heavy calorie meals, most especially at night. That is the trickiest time. You want to eat something, but with a lot of fiber that easily breaks down, like this smoothie. Fiber keeps you full, but with no calories that would actually, like, it breaks down so fast without storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. And you always have that beautiful, healthy body size for good health and, yeah, and beautiful skin. So you want to share this video with your family and friends, very important, so we can all eat healthy, stay healthy for a longer and healthy life, free of fats, most especially belly fat, and always love our beautiful body. Yeah. Share the video, share, like and subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye.